And let's put it together for hot young designer Rohit Verma. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you're waiting for the action that is sizzling hot at India's most competitive and fiercely fought out designer hunt. The battle line was drawn 6 months ago with the invitation of entries and the submission of the entries.
We then had the pre-selection screening and shortlisting of the finalists.
The 57 participants then assembled in Mumbai on the 6th of November for 3 days of grooming and workshops by experts in various fields related to the fashion industry, a huge, huge value addition to what their careers will be about.
That's really great. And then, of course, there were trials, fittings, and finally the big day, that's today. And now the grand finale, and then the winners, and then the big prizes.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for action, so fasten your seatbelts as we get set to blast off into orbit with Designer Hunt 2006. Our first category is Party and Clubwear. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here comes Party and Clubwear, and our first collection is by designer Shubha Raghulan. She's inspired by the Princess of Persia. Shubha Raghulan with Princess of Persia.
People in the house, put your hands together for our first designer, Shubha Raghulan.
Adding an exotic touch to the evening is designer Lavina Tekwani with Moroccan montage. The collection is inspired by Moroccan architectural art called ziligi, which is a medley of tile work in geometric motifs. The fabric is cotton with geometric prints used as patchwork and motifs on a rich brown base. The blue trims represent the color that wards off evil in Moroccan homes. In contrast, the collection is for the carefree, outgoing woman who wants to let her hair down and party. Moroccan montage. The party goes wild now with a collection by Ritesh Arya called Tribal Party. A collection inspired by tribal costumes, particularly through those use of animal skins. The fabric is polysatin in animal prints, which are long and flowing and embellished by wooden beads and shells. The collection is for today's outgoing woman. Ritesh Arya presents Tribal Party.
Come on over here and give me some. Makes my heart beat so fast. Just like I'll do anything for you.
Put your hands together for our third designer this evening, Ritesh Arya.
So I want you to stay right here in my face, okay?